This week we received a box from Murray's Carbs with the final parts needed to get the CB750 running. Let's unbox everything and see what was included. The kit we ordered uses two custom adapters to make a pair of Mikuni VM34s fit. Additionally, these carbs come pre-configured for the specs provided at the time of ordering. Pretty much everything you need will be included in this kit. Here's everything laid out that came in the box. To begin, the custom intake runner will need to be installed. This can take a little bit of effort if your factory carb boots are starting to harden. Once fully seated, you can tighten all the clamps. You'll want to make sure these are adequately tightened to prevent vacuum leaks. In this case, the clamps were completely bottomed out, but they were perfectly tight. You can then repeat this process for the other adapter. Now you can install the carburetors. Please note that there is a left and a right. An easy way to tell is the Murray's Carbs logo will be facing outward. The next step is to install the included pod filters. These are a tight fit and required me to remove the carburetors from the front boot. Once the filter is installed, we can tighten the clamp on the front of the carburetor. Make sure the carburetor is installed level to prevent issues with the float. After this, we can install the clamp around the pod filter. This process is identical on the other carburetor. Once the carburetors have been installed, we can route the cable. When a good routing has been found, we can screw the cable into the throttle housing. After that, we can hook the cable to the throttle tube and put the clamshell together. Before tightening the screws, make sure the throttle moves freely and returns closed. Once that is completed, we can secure the clamshell. Next, we can install the fuel tank. The front of this tank is secured by hooks and the rear is secured by one bolt. This bolt will need to be secure as the seat uses this to mount as well. Not shown was the fuel line being hooked to the fuel shutoff valve. Once all other steps have been completed, we can add fuel. Two gallons of 93 octane are now added. From here, we can attempt to start the motorcycle. After a small adjustment to the air and idle screws, this is how it sounds.